Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be doing a bit of hydro dipping, and I've got some canvas pumps that I'm going to use. I've already worn them, so it's just an experiment. We'll see how we go. Alright then, let's get into it. Okay then, so this is what we've got. Just need to take the tape off now. I'm really happy with the front. There's a bit too much red at the side of that. So anyway, we're going to take the tape and see what they look like. So that's all I did. Bubble wrap in there. Cool, aren't they? Just need them to dry a little bit around the side, but yeah, they've come out well. Let's do the next one. Really like that. Wow, they are a bit damp, so I just need to leave them to dry, but they've come out brilliantly around the front there. The only thing I'm thinking is perhaps if I'd have used another darker colour, it might have sort of just given a little bit more contrast. But yeah, quite happy with those. H&M pumps, canvas pumps that I had. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.